Nagluluto ako ng simpleng kaldereta ng anak ko. Ito ang mga kailangan. Of course, hindi magiging kaldereta kung wala nito. Binabad na yan sa kalamansi, bawang, paminta, toyo. Cheese. What? What? Onion, pepper, garlic. And I just have potato. Tanggalan natin yung pinastang patatas. Wala akong carrots kasi okay lang. So, piprituhin muna natin ang pork. Yan. Iaano ko sana to i-oven ko sana ito para magtusta kasi gusto ko yung medyo brown siya. Tapos, saka siya iaano. Saka ko siya isasangkot siya. Prito ko muna siya. We'll put it here. Malinis ang kamay. One by one. Yan, fry natin until golden brown bago natin siya isangkot siya. Sangkot siya. I put the onion. Pili-pili. Ilagay ang pinagbabaran. Pampalambot. Yan. Tapos, ilagay ang patatas kasi ang patatas ay matigas pa. Yan. Takpan at pakuluin at palambutin bago ilagay ang cheese at saka yung pepper and pineapple. Itsura pa lang nakakatakam na. Kaya maglaway kayo. O, tingnan mo yan. Look at that. I want it like this. I don't like it a lot of sauce. So, we're going to put now the pineapple. Yeah. And then we are going to put the bell pepper there, and cheese. Mamaya na to, panghuli na. That's the last. And you have to stir it a little bit. Oh my gulay. Did you see that? Did you see how it looks like? Oh my gee. Look at that. It's so inviting. The color is so inviting. The color is inviting me. And then we can put now the cheese. Yeah. Itong kaldereta ko na to ay walang atay. Walang kasi walang atay, walang mabilhan ng rino. Wala akong stock ng rino. Dapat ito may rino, kaya lang. Okay lang yan. So, Titikman na natin ang lasa kung ano na ang lasa. We'll make tusok-tusok. We will taste it. I'm gonna get a piece of pork, a piece of bell pepper. Oh my god. Oh, I cannot tusok-tusok the bell pepper. Here. Ready? On your march. Open your mouth. Here na. Ooh. So delicious. It's so mouth-watering. Hope you like my video today. Bye guys. Thank you. Ayan na. Sa napakasarap naman tingnan. Tingin pa lang maglalaway ka na.